Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the future. And trust me, it looks wild. These 20 cars aren't just transportation, they're a preview of how driving, design, and technology will evolve in the next few years. Some are electric, some hybrid, and a few remind us that gasoline still has a heartbeat. Together, they define what the road ahead is going to feel like. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you love real car talk, and let's take a ride through tomorrow. The first thing you notice when you look at the new generation of cars is how clean and sculpted everything has become. Designers are chasing aerodynamics like never before. Smoother edges, hidden door handles, flush glass. Every detail is engineered for efficiency. Cars like the Tesla Model 3 Highland and Polestar 4 are perfect examples. They look like they were drawn by the wind itself. But this future isn't just sleek, it's smart. Vehicles such as the Mercedes EQS and Lucid Air use AI-based systems that actually learn how you drive. They adapt your suspension, your throttle response, even your cabin lighting to match your personality. It's not just customization anymore, it's personalization on a neural level. And while electric cars are stealing headlines, hybrids are quietly becoming more advanced. The Toyota Prius Prime and the Honda CR-V hybrid prove that efficiency doesn't have to mean boring. These cars combine electric torque with gasoline reliability, giving you power when you want it and silence when you don't. Then there's performance. The Porsche Taycan Turbo GT, the Rimac Navara, and the Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray are showing that electric and hybrid sports cars can still make your heart race. Instant torque, zero lag, and handling that feels telepathic. They're rewriting the rulebook on what fast even means. Of course, not everyone wants a sports car. The SUV scene is evolving just as fast. The Ford Bronco Raptor, Toyota Land Cruiser Mini FJ, and Jeep Recon EV bring hardcore off-road power into the electric age. They prove you can still hit the trail while being eco-conscious. The future doesn't cancel adventure, it enhances it. And speaking of enhancement, let's talk about autonomy. The Volvo EX90 and BMW i7 are pushing Level 3 self-driving systems that can actually handle traffic jams while you relax. Imagine commuting without touching the wheel. It's no longer science fiction, it's firmware. But the real magic is connectivity. Cars like the Hyundai Ioniq 6 and Kia EV9 update themselves over the air. No dealership visits, no waiting rooms, just software beamed directly into your car while it sits in your driveway. Each update makes it smarter, faster, safer. It's like waking up with a better car every few weeks. Then there are the concept cars hinting at what's next. Things like the Toyota FTSE concept, the BMW Vision Neue Klasse, and the Audi ActiveSphere. These machines blur the line between vehicle and digital experience. They use holographic displays, augmented navigation, and materials that literally react to your touch. It's easy to think all this technology might take the soul out of driving. But when you see how brands are merging design, sustainability, and performance, it feels more like evolution than replacement. Electric motors bring silence, but they also bring focus. You start noticing the world around you again, the sound of tires on asphalt, the hum of the wind, the city fading behind as the horizon opens. That's what these 20 cars represent. Not just progress, but purpose. A new generation of vehicles that respects the planet, challenges conventions, and still finds room for passion. From rugged off-roaders to minimalist EVs, from luxury cruisers to track weapons, they all share one goal: to make driving meaningful again. The future of cars isn't about choosing between electric or gas, comfort or thrill. It's about combining them into something better, something smarter. And as we look at these incredible machines, it's clear the revolution isn't coming. It's already here. So which one defines the future for you? Let me know down in the comments because I'm curious which direction you take, silent electric power or the last roar of gasoline glory. Either way, one thing's for sure, the next few years are going to be the most exciting time in automotive history. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this ride through the future, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned because the next chapter of driving has only just begun.